Are you thinking about starting a pig farm? Maybe you've heard that pig farming can be a profitable venture, or perhaps you're passionate about agriculture and want to explore new opportunities. Whatever your reasons, embarking on a pig farming journey is an exciting decision, but it's also one that comes with its unique set of challenges and important considerations. Before you dive in, there are several crucial things you need to know to set yourself up for success and avoid common pitfalls. In this video, we'll explore the 10 most important things you must know before starting pig farming. Stay tuned until the end to ensure you're fully prepared, and don't forget to share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Let's get started. First and foremost, understand your market. Before you buy your first piglet or build a pen, take time to research and understand who your customers will be. Are you planning to sell pork to local butchers, at farmers markets, or directly to consumers? Maybe your goal is to supply restaurants or even export overseas. Each market has its own requirements in terms of quality, quantity, and regulations. Conduct surveys, visit local markets, and talk to potential buyers. Are there other pig farmers in your area? How is the competition? Identifying your target market will help you make informed decisions about the size of your farm, the breeds you choose, and how you'll run your business. Have you already identified where you'll sell your pigs or pork products? Let us know in the comments. Number 2, choose the right pig breed. Not all pigs are created equal. Some breeds are better suited for meat production, while others excel in breeding or specific climates. For example, large white and landrace pigs are popular for their fast growth and high-quality meat, while indigenous breeds may be more resistant to local diseases and require less intensive care. Research the breeds available in your region and consider factors like growth rate, feed efficiency, and adaptability. What breed of pigs are you considering and why? Share your thoughts below. Third on our list is understanding the capital requirements. Pig farming, like any business, requires investment. You'll need to budget for piglets, housing, feed, water systems, medication, and labor. Don't forget about ongoing costs, such as maintenance and veterinary care. It's wise to prepare a detailed business plan and set aside some unexpected expenses. Many new farmers underestimate their startup costs, leading to financial stress down the line. Are you prepared for the initial investment? Have you created a business plan for your pig farm? Number 4 is location and housing. The location of your pig farm can greatly influence your success. Choose a site that's easily accessible, has good drainage, and is away from residential areas to minimize noise and odor complaints. Pig housing should provide enough space for movement, proper ventilation, and protection from extreme weather. Remember, overcrowding can lead to stress, disease, and poor growth rates. Have you found the perfect location for your pig farm, or is this still a work in progress? Fifth, focus on biosecurity and disease prevention. Pigs are susceptible to a range of diseases that can spread quickly and devastate your herd. Implement strict biosecurity measures such as restricting visitors, disinfecting equipment, and regularly monitoring animal health. Vaccinations and routine veterinary checks are essential. Learn to recognize the signs of common pig diseases and have a plan in place to respond quickly. What steps are you taking to keep your pigs healthy? Number 6 is feed management. Feed is the largest ongoing expense in pig farming, accounting for up to 70% of your total costs. Providing the right feed at the right stage of growth is crucial for healthy, productive pigs. Consider formulating your own feed if you have access to raw materials or source quality commercial feeds. Don't forget to provide clean, fresh water at all times. Efficient feed management not only improves growth rates, but also maximizes your profits. Are you planning to mix your own pig feed, or will you buy commercial feed? Seventh on our list, breeding and reproduction. If you plan to breed your own pigs, Learn about breeding cycles, pregnancy management, and piglet care. Good record keeping is essential to track breeding dates and outcomes. Artificial insemination is becoming increasingly popular for genetic improvement, but natural mating is still common. Ensure your breeding stock is healthy and free from hereditary diseases. Do you have experience with animal breeding, or is this a new area for you? Number 8 is waste management. Pig farming generates a significant amount of manure, which, if not managed properly, can cause environmental issues and attract complaints from neighbors. Develop a waste management plan that includes proper storage, treatment, and disposal. Manure can be a valuable resource when processed and used as fertilizer, but it must be handled safely to avoid pollution. Are you aware of the regulations regarding waste management in your area? Ninth, stay informed about regulations and permits. Every region has rules governing animal husbandry, environmental protection, and food safety. Make sure you understand and comply with these regulations to avoid legal issues and fines. This might include obtaining permits for animal housing, waste disposal, and slaughtering. Building good relationships with local authorities can also help you stay updated on changes in regulations. Have you checked the legal requirements for pig farming in your location? And finally, number 10, continuous learning and networking. Pig farming is constantly evolving, with new technologies, breeds, and management practices emerging all the time. Stay updated by attending agricultural fairs, joining farmer associations, and participating in training programs. Networking with other pig farmers can provide valuable insights and support. Don't hesitate to seek advice from experts or consult agricultural extension officers. What's one thing you'd like to learn more about before starting your pig farming journey? Starting a pig farm is a challenging but rewarding endeavor. By considering these 10 key factors, understanding your market, choosing the right breed, planning your finances, selecting a suitable location, prioritizing biosecurity, managing feed efficiently, mastering breeding, handling waste responsibly, following regulations, and committing to continuous learning, you'll be well on your way to building a successful and sustainable pig farming business. What do you think is the biggest challenge facing new pig farmers today? Are there any topics you'd like us to cover in more detail? Drop your questions and experiences in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. And if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more smart agriculture tips from SMART-AGRI Hub. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your pig farming adventure.